Applus IDIADA provides testing and engineering services to assess all types of vehicles in a wide range of misuse scenarios. With over 20 years' experience running vehicle misuse activities, IDIADA's expert engineers and technicians can test vehicles well over their normal operational limits to evaluate how both hardware and software systems, as well as chassis and body components, react under abusive driving situations. Likewise, our specialists perform an in-depth analysis and evaluation on how such practices impact occupant safety, vehicle design, and overall software calibrations. To ensure repeatability and safety, we perform misuse testing with last-generation driverless robots that allow us to either program driving paths or to drive the vehicle remotely in any required testing condition. As a result, we obtain improved test repeatability and minimize both path and speed error. Moreover, we have the possibility to force extreme vehicle damage, avoiding any risk for the driver. In addition, IDIADA has a dedicated proving ground test track in our headquarters in Spain, containing over 50 different inputs that emulate real-world misuse scenarios. The combination of expertise, advanced tools and purpose-built facilities makes IDIADA the best partner to undertake misuse testing and engineering programs.